Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make soap for kids with simplest ingredients. For that we need glycerin flakes, turmeric, saffron, honey, some food color and scent. Dilute glycerin flakes in microwave around 12 seconds. Then add honey, turmeric, saffron, food color, scent and mix it well. Let it be cool for half an hour. But as Kiansh was so excited to make his own shop, he put it in freezer to cool faster. After cooling, remove from mold and tada! Our soap is ready. This soap is quite effective for kids. Thanks for watching.